This Jack the Car deal, I'm working on a 2016 F150. I'm going to show you really quick how to remove this center piece. And I did all of this hell just to get to this, replace this cover on the cigarette lighter, this mess. Okay, I got an aftermarket piece on Amazon for about $10, something like that. So I'm just gonna run through it real quick. First thing that you do, want to do is go up to the top tray and remove this padding. See that? Behind that, 2 7mm bolts. Take those out, okay? Then you'll be able to lift up here, and guess what? 2 more 7mm bolts right there and over there, okay? At that point, this will be up there. At that point, okay, you'll be able to access, you'll be able to pull this centerpiece out, okay? Then it's going to expose 2 more bolts. See that down there? On the lower part, 7mm. Once you take those 2 out, you can snap these side panels. There's nothing holding them. They're not coming out completely. You just snap them out, okay? All down at the bottom, way down there, see that hole? Those are 10mm, okay? And that's it for the bolts. 2 10mm, 2 7m here, 2 7m up there, and 2 7m up there. Once you pull this out, you fight like hell to get this thing out. What really releases this is there's 2 tabs on the inside. Let me show you. There are 2 tabs inside here. I found that out the hard way, okay? Inside there, you push in on it. It's gonna show some black, and you push in on both tabs, and then the silver piece will actually pop out. Then you take this piece out. If you don't do it this way, it's gonna be hell, and you're gonna tear up some stuff like I did, okay? In the reverse, you must put the new piece in first. I'm telling you, don't do it. You must put this new piece in first, then slide in the cigarette lighter portion after you put that new piece. And then you do everything in reverse. I hope that made sense. I wanted to show you guys real quick. Once I did all the dirty work and tore up this thing, it's still usable, but I bent it because it was hell, okay? There's a little harness clip here. That's easy. Just pull that clip off when you see this, and then you reach down like I told you to release those tabs that's holding this whole piece, and that slides out. That's how you do it. In reverse, again, make sure that you put this piece on here, and make sure you lotion up your ashy hands before you start becoming a hand model.